it it was somehow frightening to retire. I've worked in the government service for 36 years, and it was quite frightening to retire and not work each day because I am a single parent, but I have two. So I had a short retirement age at the age of 60. I retired. And it was quite challenging. But I am a strong person, so I studied, I do some plans, and I made it. I'm so happy being retired. I had as now at the age of 65, I learned how to practice the art of Deadma. Kasi before I was so sensitive, lahat na lang ng bagay dinaramdam ko. Lahat ng bagay ay iniisip ko. But as days goes by, I've learned that don't let people have a free rent on your heart and mind. Huwag mo silang pabayaan pumasok sa system mo. Don't give them the space in your brain and heart. Practice the art of Deadma. Alisin mo na mga toxic na people sa buhay mo, yung mga hindi nakakatulong sa'yo, yung mga nakakapag... But, let me remind you, not all retirees are successful. Kung hindi ka marunong humawak ng pera, kung hindi mo nilagay ang pera mo sa right place, kung pinabayaan mong ibang tao ang magpaandar ng buhay mo, then it won't be a success. The first moment you receive your retirement pay, gawa ka kagad ng plano. Especially about your financial plans, you need to spend every day. Wala ka ng trabaho. You need to have an organic income na maaasahan mo without moving. Organic income every month.